Hello everyone, today's episode is the unboxing of my online shopping. I received my order a couple of weeks ago. Today is the time to open this parcel to check if all the items inside is legit. This is from Timo and Shopee. This is bike shorts from Timo. This is also from Timo. This is a bike jersey. Also, the material is soft, very comfortable, and also breathable. This one is from Shopee. This is also a bike jersey with a Dunkin' Donut design. It looks good. The material is also very soft and breathable. I used to it every time going to work by riding a bicycle, carrying all my stuff from laptop, extra clothes, and other things needed for work. The bike jersey and the bike shorts that I bought online are very comfortable. They are breathable, not worried of sweat absorbed in my skin because the fabric is quick drying. Riding a bicycle is a very refreshing feeling. It helps me exercise, improves my cardiovascular health and well-being. It fights mental stress-related illnesses and help manage mental fatigue. The bike jersey from Shopee is a little bit loose. Since I bought large, it's supposed to be, and lower size like medium. The bike jersey from Timo is also a little bit loose for a medium size. And next time I will order a small size. Anyway, I am satisfied with my order. The quality is good. It has a premium feel like a branded products. I survived for 3 years going to work with only a bicycle is a means of my transportation. It helps maintain my weight and I am happy for that. And besides, I don't have to worry about transportation expenses. It helps me save an amount of money going into my pocket. It is also my fitness routine. If you have enough time, please consider subscribing to my channel. It is greatly appreciated, and it also helped me as a content creator, as always. Riding a bicycle helps the environment by reducing air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. And like cars, bicycles do not use fuel, so they do not release harmful gases that contribute to climate change. Cycling also reduces traffic congestion and noise pollution, making cities cleaner and quieter. In addition, bicycles require fewer resources to produce and maintain, which helps conserve natural resources. Overall, riding a bicycle is an eco-friendly way to travel that supports a healthier planet. It is a way of life. I ride a bicycle for a living, not for recreation. At the end of the day, I still enjoy the benefits of a healthy lifestyle. I am happy with my purchase. The bike jersey and the bike shorts are very comfortable. The material is soft and quick drying. These are very useful during my bike ride to work every day. This is the end of my video, and see you next time. Bye bye.